For the last problem class, I think this is the last problem for today's discussion. Steel cables support the homogeneous bar AB. The bar weighing 5 kilonewton per meter at A and B. The cross-sectional areas of the cables are 200 millimeter square at A and 300 millimeter square at B. Determine the stress of each cable. So, mura siya same class sa kaning problem, but this time the figure is different. Kaya ang figure, we have a homogeneous bar class all throughout, and then it is being supported by two cables. At this point, cable A, 7 meters from A, we have another support, and this is support B. Now, the distance between these two classes, 7 meters, and then 3 meters from B towards the free end. The weight of the bar is given, the homogeneous bar. 5 kilonewton per meter. So that means, class, it is a uniformly distributed load nga every 1 meter of this homogeneous bar, ang timbang niya is 5 kilonewtons. Did you understand that? Nga, kung na 1 meter din 5 kilonewton, another 1 meter, 5 kilonewton, another meter, another 5, another 5, another 5 kilonewtons. Mo'y pasabutan na, it is distributed all throughout. And then take note, class, sa equation bitaw na to nga, stress is equals to the force over area. Take note, ang atong force, class, kani nga force ba? It is a point load or it is a concentrated load. Sa example na to ganina, class, the unit is in Newton or the unit of the force is in kilonewton. Kay force ko na siya. We will convert this one into a point load. So in this case, class, if we're going to convert this one into point load, ang point load, class, moagi na siya at the centroid of the body. Did you understand? So the formula for this one, class, kay rectangle man na siya in shape, right? Rectangular in shape. Mura na siya og length times width. Ang length nimo, class, obviously the span, and your width, class, is the load itself. That is 10, and your width, class, is the load, and that is now 50 kilonewton. The unit for this one is meter, where the unit for this one, class, is kilonewton per meter. You could cancel out unit. Sab that? Okay. Now the next thing, class, is how to do it. Dinhi mosulod, class, ang inyong knowledge sa moment. Mosulod ang inyong knowledge sa moment, because if we're going to have a free body diagram for this one, i-cut ni siya ni mga cable, you will cut this cable also. The free body diagram of this one, class, is if this is now the body, we have an upward force for A, we have an upward force for B, and obviously, class, the load downward nga may act sa centroid. Now the distances is 7 meters and then 3 meters, and obviously, class, this is 5 meters. From that, maka-apply ka og moment. So you will sum up moment, it's either from A or B. Unsa day? To solve for the value of, di ba kay kinahanglan maguna to ang pila man gyud force ni B, class, og ni A para ma-solve na to ang stress sa cable A and cable B. Why problema si area, class, kay gihatag sa problem daan. Dali ra gyud ta solve ng stress, class, kung naa lang jud tay value ni force. Kana pag naa tay value ni force, class, paksi gid ni. Matik ni siya paksi. Now, we will sum up moment at point A. Summing up moment at point A equals to 0. I will consider, class, nga ang rotation nako nga clockwise is my positive. That is my assumption. So, may rotate og clockwise nga force? This one, right? The weight. So this force, class, atong gamiton, convert na tog point load. Kani siya, class, nga downward, kani siya nga downward, mo na niya ang force nga 50 kilonewton. Di ba kaya the formula for the moment is simply force times perpendicular distance. Mo na yung formula, di ba? So that is just simply 50 kilonewtons times the span distance, class, kung asa ni act ang atong load na 5 meter, and then equals to the counterclockwise. Sa may counter, class, the force applied at point B, and then ang distance niya nga 7 meters. Shift solve. Give me the value of the force applied at point B. 35.71. And this is kilonewton. Now this is the force lang sa class. To get the stress at point B is equals to the force applied at point B divided by the area of cable B. So stress at point B is equals to 35.71. Convert that into Newton divided by 300 millimeter square. Now give me the stress at point B. Okay, the answer is 119.03 megapascal. This is the answer, class, sa stress kang B. Okay, pag-abot kang A, class, pwede din mo sa solve, class, using moment yapon, pwede ha? Or, since na kay value ni B, class, pwede na kahana og summation of forces vertical equals to 0, upward equals downward. Diba? Isa may upward, class, si A na, ano, diba? Force applied at A plus force applied ni B equals to the downward weight. So the unknown force applied A plus the force applied at B nga 35.71 equals to the weight class nga 50. So pila may force applied A? 14.29 kilonewtons. Okay, then stress at point A is equals to the force applied at point A and then the area of cable A. So stress at A is equals to 14.29. Don't forget nga i-convert ginag Newton and then area nga 200 ba to? 200. So stress A is equals to 71.45 megapascals. Now you have now the answer. Okay, do you understand this? Tonyo, another ni siya nga variation sa problem na to under axial loading nga ma-solve na to class ang stresses. This is just simple stresses ni siya nga mga problems ha. Actually loaded bars. Question. Ang concept sa equilibrium sa statics ba, there are three formulas, di ba? Summation of forces horizontal, summation of forces vertical, and summation of moments. There are problems class nga dili na to siya kayang solvon using force polygon and kaning using katong first two, summation forces horizontal and forces vertical. Pag di gani kaya solvon na ginana class, din mo sulod si moment. Di ba? Nagtudlo ko ninyo about sa resultant of parallel forces sa statics. Did you remember that? Resultant of parallel force system. Kung saan pag-solve. Diba sa resultant of parallel force system class, duha to ka formula. Summation of forces lang, horizontal or vertical, and then dito na nisulod si moment. Kani siya class nga problem, under ni siya sa parallel force system. Kung sa katilhanan nga parallel ang force system, if all forces within that system are parallel. Simple. So kung para saan ni upward and downward man ang forces, it is parallel force system. So ngani ka mo-apply og moment. Kani unsa man nga klase ng force system? Ang first example, concurrent na sila common point concurrent force system. That's why di ka ka-apply moment din na basta concurrent, di ba? Di ka ka-apply moment. Di ka apply kag moment kay parallel man siya. Parallel og non-concurrent force system class, you can apply moment. Di ba kasi billion? Tonyo!